Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pink Villa.
मेरे लिए तो पहली दफा था देखा तुझे और कुछ तो हुआ था अब लगे जैसे सपना बुरा था. Hi, this is Prakriti.
Hi, this is me, Sukriti, and you guys are watching us on Pink Villa.
I think it's been amazing, honestly. Like since we shot it, I think we couldn't wait for everybody to finally see it and for us also to see it. The song talks about so many things that we talk about, but now
and we otherwise bond on. I think the both of us for the longest time have been wondering that जब हम single करेंगे and जब हम when we're going to do a music video, what is it going to be like, what is it going to look like, and finally we're here at the debut of our first music video together and the song that we've been waiting to make together. So there's nothing better and more gratifying for us than that.
Yeah, I think Sudharja is a note to all the bad boys and all just general boys who aren't keeping their girls very happy.
I think when we were making a song also, the main factor for us was relatability, and we've done like some sort of an acid test with a lot of friends and other people when we played it before it released, and we had all kinds of feedback.
Yeah, in fact, yesterday we were scrolling down some YouTube comments and we're getting so many messages on social media saying that this is exactly the situation I am in, and I broke up with somebody because of this song, and I patched up with my ex-boyfriend because of this song and stuff like that. So I mean,
and it's a very cute way to tell a boy to improve or like go home. I think it's just like ghar ja ya sudhar ja, I think it was an amalgamation of a lot of things.
For sure. It has to be something that we've gone through, and I think that's the only way one can write a song about it. So yeah, I mean, we've had our own share of heartbreaks and one-sided love and all of that, not getting enough attention. I think every girl faces that.
तेरा मुझसे phone छुपाना, कहना busy हूँ मैं सब है बहाना. Like these are things that like when you talk about.
करता है drama.
Yeah. So
all of that is just people haven't really spoken about. So I think it's time we as girls just talk about it, because
it's uniting a lot of girls, and I know there's a lot of girl power that I'm feeling after the response. So that's amazing.
We were anxious would be an understatement. I think finally seeing it on the official channel of T-Series was just like that cherry on the top moment for us.
For us also, it was just like Bhushan ji believed in our sound, and he has accepted our music in such a beautiful way, and association with T-Series has been so amazing. They've all made it come alive in the way exactly we had pre-imagined it, so it's beautiful. And now finally see what was ours come out, and it's been day 2, and 3 million is like a number that we were not hoping for.
First song is always very important, and it's been a dream team for us, and it's exactly everything we ever wanted.
Our mind works differently, and when your mind and your style works differently, it shows in your singing. So obviously the takes would be absolutely different, because also it comes down to our personalities. We are very different people, and our tones are very different. I think
if I had to put it in a layman's language, I think it would be that out of the both of us, if there's a grungier, more rocker of a singer, I think it has to be Sukriti.
And if there's a more mellow, more romantic singer, it's Prakriti. So we know our zones a little more.
Sukriti's, I mean, she's obviously super fortunate to have sung so many different kinds of songs. There's this one song from this movie called Rustam, and it's the title song of Rustam, and it's a crazy song, and it's got almost 2 octaves in that one song, and she's done it so beautifully.
My favorite from Prakriti's songs would be something that came out recently. It was featuring Taapsee. It was Gazab Ka Hai Ye Din. So it's a beautiful original and beautifully recreated at the same time. Oh wow, we haven't thought this through.
about this, but Maybe like something like Tanha Dil or something, like we love Shaan.
We grew up listening to all of these people.
Yeah, I
and
think-
they're a huge reason why we wanted to be singers. You know, Shaan, Sonu Ji. We grew up at a time where there were a lot of bands happening. Asma, Viva, Band of Boys. So yeah, something that just inspires us for sure. I think just be headstrong and just know exactly
What you deserve.
what you deserve and what you don't. And I think the day and the moment you start valuing yourself and understanding, you know, what you want more than him, you can just ask him to sudhar jana, and like, you know, you can make your way forward and be
But I
happy.
think more than that, Sudharja is just for everybody who is in a relationship where they're getting lesser than they deserve. I think Sudharja is for everybody who is who just believes in themselves and who is really proud to be whoever they are, and you know, who do not settle and who don't want to adjust to the situation and just come out stronger. And yeah, I mean, it's nothing negative. It's just a song that brings girls together and just celebrate, you know, just themselves. मेरे लिए तो पहली दफा था, देखा तुझे और कुछ तो हुआ था, अब लगे जैसे सपना बुरा था। लव तुमसे करके भी देखा, तुम पे है मर के भी देखा, 100 बार मिल के भी देखा। बातें होनी थी हो गई रातें, है आज से नहीं जाते, जाते सुन ले मेरी तू फिक्र मेरी छड़ दे। हो सुधर जा जा घर जा, ओ सुधर जा घर जा। Hi, this is Prakriti.
Hi, this is Sukriti, and if you like this video,
Then do like, share and subscribe to Pink Villa.